Okay, so back in the MR2, got some new additions done. See, got push button start. There are no keys in this doohickey. So now, just smart key. That's it, just be in close proximity. It's like any modern car. Step on the clutch, step on the brake, then the start button lights up. It fires up.
Bluetooth mode.
It's the fuel pump voltage right there, because again I'm overdriving the fuel pump.
Bluetooth is connected.
Konnichiwa.
So it's pretty cool. Once it's started, you can press the start stop button. It will not turn off because I'm not stepping on the brake. Turn it off. Again, you step on the brake. And it powers off. If you just want to go to accessory, one click, off the brake. See how the accessory, my gauges are not on.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth is connected.
And then
Konnichiwa.
press it again to go the ignition on. Look how dusty it is in this car. Construction at work is crazy. Then to turn it off, just press the button again. You grab your keys. Just get out. Shut the door. Walk away. When you get far enough back, the car is now armed. Doors are locked. When you approach the car, doors just unlocked. Let you in. Get in. That's everything. So, thanks for watching. It's a little update. The old alarm system died, so now I put this one on here. And it's awesome. I have 2 smart keys for it now. Pretty simple. In terms of where I put the smart key antenna, I put it underneath here, behind the clock, with the double stick tape that came with it. And I put the second one back here. And that's good enough to sense my proximity. And so yeah, that's it. That's it for now. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.